Hi guys, and welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name's Gary.
My name is Reancy and hope you're doing okay. In today's video, we were going to learn the 25 words of weather and natural elements in Bisaya language.
So let's jump in and get started right now. The first word we're going to teach you today is air or wind. So how do we say that one?
We say hangin.
Hangin.
Air or wind is hangin. Hangin.
Second word is breeze. So how do we say that one?
Breeze is huyuhoy.
Breeze is hoyohoy. Our next weather expression is cloud. So how do we say that one in Bisaya?
We say panganod.
Panganod.
Cloud is panganod. Panganod. Panganod.
The next word we're going to teach you is bright or clear. So how do we say bright or clear?
Bright and clear, we say hayag.
Hayag. Bright or clear is hayag.
Hayag. Hayag.
So the opposite of bright is dark. So let's learn that one next. How do we say that?
Dagum.
Dark is dagum.
Dagum. Dagum.
In the Philippines, it's always humid and hot. So let's learn that one now. How do we say that?
Humid or hot in Bisaya language is igang, or you can say init.
Humid or hot, igang or init.
Igang, init.
Our next word is mud. How do we say mud in Bisaya?
We say lapok.
Mud is lapok.
Lapok. Lapok.
Let's move on now to rain. So how do we say that one?
Ulan or uwan.
Rain is ulan or uwan.
Ulan. Ulan. Uwan. Uwan.
The next word we're going to teach you is drizzle or a shower. So how do we say that one?
We say taligsik. Taligsik.
Shower is taligsik. Moving on, we have the word for dust, which is
Abug.
dust is abug.
Abug. Dust.
Let's learn the word for earthquake. How do we say that one?
Linog.
Linog is earthquake.
Linog. Earthquake.
Our next word is fire or flame. So let's learn that one.
It's kalayo or kayo.
Fire or flame is kalayo or kayo.
Kalayo or kayo.
Moving on, we have the word for lightning, which is
Kilat.
kilat. Lightning is kilat.
Kilat. Lightning.
What is the word for the moon?
Bulan or buwan.
Moon is bulan or buwan. In England, we use this word all the time. What's the word for cold?
Tugnaw or bugnaw.
So cold, you can use tugnaw, or alternatively, you can use bugnaw. The next word I'm going to teach you is sky or heaven. So how do we say that one?
Langit.
The word for sky or heaven is langit.
Langit. Heaven.
Next, we have smoke. So how do we say that one?
Aso.
Smoke is aso.
Aso. Smoke.
The next element we're going to teach you is water. How do we say water in Bisaya?
Tubig.
The word for water is tubig.
Tubig. Water.
And then we have the word for soil.
Yuta.
Soil is yuta.
Yuta. Yuta. Soil.
So the next word we're going to teach you is the word for star. So how do we say that?
Bituon.
Star is bituon.
Bituon. Star.
What about the word for stone?
Bato.
Stone is bato.
Bato. Stone.
A very popular phrase is sun. So how do we say sun?
Adlaw.
The word for sun is adlaw.
In Bisaya, we say adlaw for sun.
So we learned lightning earlier, but we didn't do thunder. So let's learn that one now. What's the word for thunder in Bisaya?
Dalugdog or dugdog.
The word for thunder is dalugdog or dugdug. What about the word for wave? How do we say that one?
Balud. Balud. Wave.
And the last word we're going to teach you, depending on which country you're from, typhoon, cyclone, or hurricane. So how do we say that one?
In Bisaya, we say bagyo.
So the word for cyclone, hurricane, or typhoon is bagyo.
So those are the most common words in Bisaya for weather and natural occurrences. Thank you guys for watching our video.
If you do have any suggestions for us, please put them in the comment section below and we'll try and do future videos for you. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our content. And as always guys, have a great day. That's bye from us. Bye.
Bye!